They said in the diagram OP is P, vector OP is P, vector OQ is Q, and vector PI is 2 over 5 of PQ. So from this, OP, the direction is given this, so we need to add this, because PR from P to R and PQ from P to Q. Okay. And we are asked, given that OX is this, so from O to X, so that's the direction, is OR. Okay. And that's, we asked to find that we should write, the first question said we should write vector OX in terms of mu, P, and Q. Okay, why the second one? Given that, so let's just solve. So they first said that OX, vector OX is mu OR. And we are not giving OR, we are giving OP and OQ. So we need to write OR in terms of what we are given. And from the diagram, you can see that OR is OP plus PR. Yes. Yes, as you can see, OP plus PR is OR. And again, we need to write PR in terms of PQ, because they said it's 2 over 5 PQ. So we are going, and from this, okay, let's just repeat this, mu OP. We're not giving PQ explicitly, but from the diagram, we can see that PQ will be OQ minus OP. So we have 2 over 5 OQ minus OP. That's it. From there, you can see that OP plus PQ is OQ. So PQ is OQ minus OP. So we can expand the bracket. OP minus 2 over 5 OP is 3 over 5 OP. Why this is plus 2 over 5 OQ. So our answer is now simple. This is the first question. Let's because we know that OP is P, so 3P plus 2 over 5Q. So that's the answer. Because we are asked to write it in terms of mu, P, and Q. So which is the answer? So the second question they ask, given also that Px is this, where lambda is a constant, use vector methods to find the values of lambda and mu. They said Px, so the direction of Px is from P to X, and it's lambda OQ. Okay, so they said Px, vector Px is lambda OQ, and from this you can see that Px is OX minus OP. You see it from the diagram, Px is OX minus OP. So we can write Px as OX minus OP from the diagram. Okay, remember we are given OP, and we are given OQ, so the problem is this, but we've gotten this value as mu. We have gotten OX as mu of times this, so we see that this is mu 3 over 5 P plus 2 over 5 Q minus OP is P and OQ is Q. Do you get? I'm substituting the value. So we open up, so we have 3 mu over 5P plus 2 mu, that's 2 over 5 mu. Okay, from here we can write it as 3 mu over 5p plus 2 mu over 5q is equal to p plus lambda q. So I move this to the other side. So we can compare. This is equal to this. So we can confirm from this. You can see that 3 mu over 5 is equal to 1 because this is p, this is p. The coefficient here is 3 mu over 5, while the coefficient here is 1, and 2 mu over 5 is equal to lambda. As you can see, this is q, this is q. So from here, you see that mu is equal to 5 over 3, and lambda is 2 over 5 mu, and mu is 5 over 3 is equal to lambda. Do you get? From here, mu is 5 over 3 and lambda is 2 over 5 mu. Mu is 5 over 3, so we have that lambda is 2 over 3, while mu is 5 over 3. So that's the answer. So it's a very tricky question.